Welcome to Craig's Gun Channel. In this video, we're going to review the NATIDDY gun cleaning kits. NATIDDY, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that name correctly, they make a couple different gun cleaning kits, and they sent me one to take a look at, to review and see what I thought. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. Now, anyone who owns firearms knows that cleaning them is part of the ownership. And usually people actually enjoy it, but some people, you know, it's a task that just must be done, and they don't like it at all. It can be messy. The different solvents and cleaners can be fumey. Some people just don't like it. However, it is something that you need to do to make sure that your firearm stays in good operating condition. When you clean it, you not only use it to get dirt and grime and everything out so that it functions reliably, but it also decreases wear on the firearm. And you can also take that opportunity to inspect the parts closely to make sure that there's no breakage or any other issues with the firearm that could cause problems, farther down the road. So having an appropriate gun cleaning kit is a necessary part of firearms ownership. NATIDDY has made a comprehensive kit that pretty much covers all of your needs, ranging from 17 caliber all the way up to 50 caliber. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. So let's see here. So we'll open it up and so inside we've got just a little listing of parts. Of course, the silica gel that, it's always marked to not eat it. Someone must have done that at some point. I don't know, but don't eat it. Inside, it's a very comprehensive kit, and it's all laid out. Every piece has its own place to go. Everything's labeled, so that's very nice. So you've got a set of 12 jags of various sizes to accommodate most all the calibers you have, and actually it comes with an additional one for 50 caliber. You have a set of brushes. You've got, just to name a few here, you've got 243, 22 caliber, 45, 40, 357, and the 357, actually, by the way, that also is what you would use for 9mm. So there isn't one listed as 9mm, and that's because it uses a 357 size. They're basically the same size. You've got 20 caliber, 17, 270, 30, 50 caliber, and 54 caliber. And then as far as shotgun brushes, you got 410, 20, and 12. So a very nice selection of brushes, and like I said, you've got the jags as well. You have 4 patch holders. And then you have a selection of mops ranging all the way from 17 caliber all the way up to 12 gauge. As far as the other accessories that comes with it comes with 50 patches. Now the patches themselves, take a look here. They're the, quite honestly, the typical gun cleaning kit variety. So they are thin, but they're very strong, so they should do a pretty good job. And quite honestly, it doesn't matter how thin they are, because you're gonna get these all dirty and grimy and then throw them away. Now myself, I end up you can usually buy additional patches when you run out. I usually just get old t-shirts and cut them up into little squares and use that. It also comes with 4 basically 7 by 7 inch size squares. It's the same material, just a little bit larger squares. There are 3 muzzle protectors, so that if you do have to, clean from the muzzle end, that'll help protect the crown. It's got 3 adapters to adapt the rod to the various sizes. If you notice on some of the mops, the actual threading size is fairly large. Larger than the rod, so in those cases you do use an adapter that would adapt the size that you need for the tool to the rod size. It comes with a bottle. Now it is shipped empty, so you need to fill it with the cleaner of your choice. It does only come with 1 bottle. Now I myself, I use a 3-in-1 cleaner, so that works out fine, in my case. There's other things. You've got 3 brushes. You've got the galvanized steel brush, a brass brush, and a nylon bristle brush. The brushes themselves, it's very fine bristles and very firm. Should do a good job. The brass, of course, brass will not harm most of your firearm finishes. On some finishes, you need to maybe be a little careful that you don't damage anything. And then of course you have a nylon brush for even more delicate. And then you have the galvanized steel brush, and you want to be careful with that one that you don't damage any finishes or anything. But in certain parts of a firearm where you just need to really clean out like crud and stuff that's in there, it can come in handy for that, where it's not going to damage any fine finishes or anything. You've got 2 sets of rods. So you've got one that runs from 17 to 270 caliber, and then for 30 caliber and above. Now you could use the smaller size rod in larger calibers. However, it gives you both sizes there. Now it's 3-piece rods, so of course with a pistol you'd only probably need to use the handle in one piece. As you start getting into longer barrel pistols or rifles, you detach the other rod sections as needed. They are also made out of solid brass. Another nice thing to mention, the jags, like I said, it comes with 13 jags total for pretty much all your calibers, ranging from the 17 caliber up to 50 caliber. They're all made out of brass, so this is a pretty high quality kit. Also, the threads are very finely cut, so they're not like a real rough cut thread. I mean, it's some good machining that was used. The comes with 4 patch holders, and again, they're brass. The adapters are brass. Really, it's a good quality kit all the way around. One thing I really do like about it, every part has a place where it goes, and the place is labeled. And for that matter, each individual part has the caliber or size on it as well. So you can put the piece back, like for example this brush, it's listed as 45 caliber, and you put it in the 45 caliber slot to hold it. So everything goes back to its place. Everything has a place and a place for everything. Now, in addition, it also comes with a gun cleaning mat, which also, there again, has a parts diagram of the kit itself. It comes with 100 of these wood shaft cotton tipped swabs. The swabs themselves have kind of a little spear point on them, so that, and they're kind of firm, so that would help to get into those nooks and crannies, so that's very nice. Also comes with a cleaning probe. It has a little flat tip section, and then a very sharp probe end, which there again, to really get into those nooks and crannies, if you need to pick something out, that's in there as well. Now, the cleaning swabs in the mat will not really fit inside the case. Of course, you can put the pick into the case. There's 2 different sizes of kits that they make, and these pieces here are what differentiate the 2. So the base part of the kit is all the same. The larger kit comes with the mat, the probe, and the swabs. Other than that, they're the same. As far as colors, they're available in pink and black. If you want to accessorize and have your gun case pink gun case to match your pink gun, you can do that. So there you have it, the NATIDDY gun cleaning kit. Overall, it's a very nice kit for the money. It's a value priced. There are some cheaper ones out there, however, and there's some cheaper ones out there actually that look almost exactly the same. However, if you look closely, most of those other ones, the component parts, the tools, the patch holders, and the jags primarily, they're made out of plastic as opposed to the brass. So the brass will hold up much longer, and it's just a sign of better quality, and it's a better overall set. So whether you're wanting to get this for yourself or a gift for someone else, it would make a great gift for someone. Especially, there's so many people now that are new into the shooting sports, that if you know someone, this would be a good gift for them. Or if you yourself are new into the shooting sports and you're not really sure what to get, this would be a really good base to start from, because it has almost everything in it that you need to get started with almost any type of caliber or type of firearm that you might have. So I guess we'll go ahead and wrap up there. As I said, I think it is a really nice kit, especially someone newer into firearms. They're not sure what to get, they're not sure what size. This has you covered. So you should be able to pretty much accomplish all your firearms maintenance needs. So thanks for watching. If you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that as we release new videos, you're notified as well. So I guess we'll go ahead and wrap up from there. So as always, until next time, stay safe.